jurors are present and accounted for, Your Honor.
All right, looks like juror number 2, do you have the verdict forms? Give them to the bailiff, please. Thank you. Madam Clerk, would you please publish the verdict?
In the courts of the 6th Judicial Circuit in and for Pasco County, Florida, State of Florida versus Curtis Judson Reeves, case number 2014 CF 216 CF AXES. Information for count 1, murder in the second degree. Verdict: we the jury finds as follows. The defendant is not guilty, so say we all this 25th day of February 2022, juror number 2, foreperson. In the courts of the 6th Judicial Circuit in and for Pasco County, Florida, State of Florida versus Curtis Judson Reeves, case number 2014 CF 216 CF AXES. Information for count 2, aggravated battery. Verdict: we the jury finds as follows. The defendant is not guilty, so say we all this 25th day of February 2022, juror number 2, foreperson.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. Does counsel for either side wish to poll the jury?
We do, Your Honor.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, the deputy clerk will poll the jury. That simply means that she will ask each of you individually if the verdict she read is your verdict. If it is, you need only answer yes. If it is not, of course, you should answer no. Madam Clerk, will you please poll the jury?
Juror number 1, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 2, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 3, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 4, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 5, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Juror number 6, is this your verdict?
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Clerk. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wish to thank you for your time and consideration of this case. I also wish to advise you of some very special privileges enjoyed by jurors. No juror can ever be required to talk about the discussions that occurred in the jury room except by court order. For many centuries, our society has relied upon juries for consideration of difficult cases. We have recognized for hundreds of years that a jury's deliberations, discussions, and votes should remain their private affair as long as they wish it. Therefore, the law gives you a unique privilege not to speak about the jury's work. Although you are now, or will be in a moment, once I say the magic words, you are at liberty to speak with anyone about your deliberations. You are also at liberty to refuse to speak to anyone. A request to discuss either your verdict or your deliberations may come from those who are simply curious, from those who might seek to find fault with you, from the media, the attorneys, or elsewhere. It will be up to you to decide whether to preserve your privacy as a juror. So, on behalf of the state of Florida and everyone here, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your long enduring service during this difficult case. You guys have been real troopers. It's been a long few weeks, and I want to thank you for performing the job that you have just done, and I hope you didn't find it too burdensome and you'll be willing to do the job again when the call comes. You're definitely good for at least a year, though, so at this time I will now discharge you from your service as jurors, and you are free to go. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Grab your phones. Grab your phones. Did he get his phone?
Yes,
Did he? Okay. Okay.
All right. Jury is out. Is this anybody?
All right, Mr. Reeves, the jury having returned a verdict of not guilty as to count 1 and count 2, you are free to go. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you for a wonderful time. Good luck. Let's go. You ready? Thanks. Good job. Tammy, good job. You did fine. Oh, I gotta get all my stuff out of here, dang it.